Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I'm just bringing you a cool little video of an after work session I had the other day where I catch some pretty decent fish in a short span on a jackhammer. And here's me making a really dumb face. For whatever reason, I decided not to wear my chest GoPro, and that kind of bit me in the butt because I got some pretty cool footage here, so let's get to it. There's one right away. Should have known it would be a big pickerel. Certainly feels like a fish. Oh yeah. I am shaking so hard right now. Look at that fish. Sick. On the jackhammer. Man, I gotta tell you, it didn't feel like a fish at first. I thought I was caught in pads. It's a 54-degree water temp, and I'm just fishing a chatterbait in like 2-3 feet of water through these pad stems. I just caught this 4.5, 5-pounder, so that's pretty sick. Whew. Little guy. Oh, came right off. Little dude. This is the pattern. Thank you 603 Bass for turning me on to this, because this is awesome. Bam. good one. That's another good one. That's another good one. Oh man. There's another one. Come on. There's another good one. Dude, for real? Another one. What? That's another 3-pounder right there. Holy crap. Let me get back in there. Little keeper. Not bad. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry again. That was a horrible rope whip. I'm gonna catch a limit before I go. Pretty sick. Alright guys, I think this is my last cast. Pardon the train going by. Well, I can't end my last cast on a fish catch. I gotta at least know that there's not any more that want to eat out there. Okay, this is my last cast. And I just saw bait jump. So, basically I figured out the pattern here. Everywhere else the water is between 49 and like 51 degrees. In here it gets super shallow, and this is where all the lily pads are in the summer. And it's like 52 to 54 degrees in here, and that couple degree difference just makes the world of difference. And look at me casting again. I'm fishing a chatterbait through these pads, and every now and then I'll actually get caught in the stems. And every now and then I'll actually get caught in the stems and have to go get it, but so far the risk has been worth the reward. I mean, I have a 5-pounder, maybe a 3.5 or 4, and then a 3, and then like a little 2, but definitely the pattern right now for catching fish, for catching bass, is fishing this super shallow area. Now it's March 4th. I mean, I'm sorry, April 4th. And it's still cold. You know, the high today was like 53. But they're moved up. All right, let me get a weight on this big girl. We're at 0. Okay, so maybe it's not a 5-pounder, but she's a 412. Beautiful fish. When I was fighting her, I saw a mark. Yeah, she's got a spot right here. That's really cool. All right, let's get a picture with the rest. That's a pretty solid day, or night. I worked today. I got out at 2:30. That's a pretty solid night, if I may say so myself. That's like a 3, 3.5, and then a 4.10. That's pretty sick. I'm gonna let these guys go. I'm gonna get one last picture with the big girl, and then gonna head home. All right, gonna let her go. Let's get the release. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm so stupid for not wearing my chest cam because it was slow earlier. But I guess the lesson is that you never know when you're gonna get on some fish. So next time I'll be wearing all the gear. I'll get it all on camera, but at least I got this camera rolling. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and I'll see you next time.